Karthik. Now let's have speech on mathematics. So now let me call upon Sastra to deliver her speech.
Happy morning everyone, myself Sasram from Grade-VIII Topaz here to share a short speech on mathematics. In India, the National Mathematics Day is celebrated on 22nd December to commemorate the birth anniversary of Indian mathematical genius Sir Srinivas Ramanujan. Mathematics is the queen of all science and pillar of all technologies. Maths is not just the use of complicated formulas and calculations, but maths is the universal language we use every aspect of life. Be it a cook or a farmer or a carpenter, doctor or a teacher or a student, etc. Everyone needs mathematics in their day-to-day life. We deal with maths every day to save time, to deal with money, in sports and games. We need maths in everywhere.
New word is let us make our English easy and charming by the daily new word. Now let me call upon Vijay Rohit for the new word of the day.
Happy morning everyone. Today new word is brought to you by S. Vijay Rohit of Grade-VIII Topaz. New word, freedom. It means the quality or state of being free. Please friends, spell after me. Freedom. 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 It means the quality or state of being free. Thank you.
General knowledge. Now let me call upon Karthik to have GK questions.
Happy morning everyone, I am K. Karthik of Grade-VIII Topaz. Now I am going to test your brain by asking GK questions. Question for grade 6. Who is the founder of Maurya dynasty? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Chandragupta Maurya. Question for grade 7. Who is the first education minister in India? No, you did not pick the right answer, and the answer is Abdul Kalam Azad. Question for grade 8. What we call the study of cell? Yes, you picked the right answer, and the answer is cytology. Let us appreciate them. Question for grade 9. What we call the study of bones?
Thank you, Sastra. Now let's have a speech on science. So let me call upon Shloka to deliver her speech.
Happy morning everyone. I am Sri Shloka of Grade-VIII Topaz here to give a speech on life. Life teaches us many things. It may be good or bad. But bad experience make us to not to do it next time. Never lose hope on yourself because others will judge you. If you do good, they'll judge you, but if you do bad also, they'll judge you. Never lose hope on yourself. Shine the way you are. You are the unique in the way you are. And many people will fail in their life not knowing that everyone's question paper is same. And age is not depend upon how many years they lived. It depends upon the experiences they had. Thank you.
Thank you, Shloka. Now let's have a speech on failure. So let me call upon Kirtana to deliver her speech.
Happy morning everyone, I am Kirtana from Grade-VIII Topaz here to give a speech on failure. Is anyone there here without failing at least one time? No one, right? Even a great scientist, Albert Einstein, failed in his experiment and then only he succeeded in his experiment. Failure does not mean that life is and everything is over. Failure means that we should try our best. From our mistakes we should learn, then only we should try again. Failure is the first step of success. Now I am giving here some tips to overcome the failure. First step is that be passionate.
Passion and inspiration. Now, success does not come by itself. It needs motivation and inspiration. Now let's have a speech on motivational concept. So let me call upon Vasudha to deliver her speech.
Happy morning everyone. My name is Vasudha of Grade-VIII Topaz. Today I am going to give a small speech on parents. Parents are the one who loves us and who cares us. Uh, Parents are also called as God because they love us, they care us, they give whatever we want in life, and they make us to study. They want to see us in a great position. They do hard work for us. And I want to say some points about parents. First point, nothing is more than parents in this world. తల్లిదండ్రుల కంటే ఎక్కువ ఈ లోకంలో ఏదీ లేదు. సెకండ్, we should
Now let me call upon Rakesh to tell us some interesting facts.
Happy morning, everyone. My name is B. Rakesh of Grade-VIII Topaz. Brought you some interesting facts. Fact number 1: clouds contains million tons of weight. Fact number 2: giraffes are more 30 times likely to get lightning than people. Fact number 4: Earth rotates changes of speed. Fact number 4: our brain continuously our brain continuously eats itself. Thank you.